everyone, today I am going to be unboxing my Korea box, and I actually have two today. I received one probably about like 2 weeks ago, and then this one just came as well, so I'm going to be opening up both today. So first, I actually ordered the Suga BTS crate. And it says on here that I will get a blanket in the first one, so I'm very excited to see what it looks like. So it comes with like a little newsletter. This is the January issue. And there's a cute little note in here that I will read later. And a cute little Instagram paper. That's so cute. And then first is a blueberry mask pack. It says, "Welcome Rebecca from Sunny." Love that. Have to try that out later. Okay, and so this one comes with a BTS star pouch, little makeup bag. And so we have this version of Suga on the front, and then this one on the back. And it even has the little BTS logo up here in the corner. And then this is my blanket. We're gonna open it up and oh, it's really soft. Okay. Alright, so I don't know if you can see the whole thing, but there's Suga. Love it. It's a little close-up. And it even has a little signature and BTS printed on there. Yeah, it's really soft. I'm gonna be using that quite often. I even saw in another video that someone unboxed the blanket that they might hang it on the wall. So there's a chance I could do that too, but I haven't decided yet. So that is everything in the first one. So now I'm gonna open up the second one. And so again, another little newsletter. This is for February, and this one actually has Jimin on it. Newsletter. Okay. And the same little Instagram paper. And another letter. This one's got Domo on it. This one came with some snacks. This one looks like it's tea, so it is brown rice tea. So I got 2 little packets of that. And I also got, it's a cream bowl white cake, little cake. Ooh, I got a BTS photos set. There's 24 sheets. So here's the first one. And here's the one that's on the back. I'm excited to look through these. And I got, what is this? says Crystal on the box. You can see that, it says Crystal. It's a cute little purple lavender box. Wow, it's kind of heavy. Oh my god, look! It's a Suga clock and little picture frame set. That's so cute. I love it. So now I can put like a little photo card in there if I want to change it out at some point. But that's so cute. I love that. Alright, I'll open up the photo cards to show you. And I believe they might be double-sided. Yeah, so this is the first one that I showed you. And then it has them on a little banana boat. So cute. Alright. And then we have this picture. But yeah, so that's everything, and I'm really happy with my blanket and my little clock and the pouch. I'm really going to be using those often, so really happy about that. So yeah, I'm excited to get the next one. Alright, so that's everything for today. Thanks for watching. Bye! So I just received the third one today, so I'm going to be opening that one up right now. I've been a little lazy with my editing, so I'm just going to put all three videos together for you. Alright, so here's the inside of the box. And the first thing is newsletter. It actually has Jin on it, just in his humbook. And so it has little stuff. And this is for the March 2018 issue. And as usual, I get the little heart. And a handwritten note, which I will read later. And I got a Bam Bam snail sheet mask. And this looks like a cleaning cloth, like for your glasses or like for the camera lens or even your phone. So there we go. Okay, and then this one is a membership card. It's wrapped up. It says, oh, ownership card. And it says, you're expected to wear this card at all times. So it's like a BTS big hit ownership card. Has little instructions on the back. And I got a Pyeongchang Olympics gift. So it comes with a button, and I got a sticker as well. And then my next item is a BTS calendar. Shows on the back. And then when you flip it around, it actually goes from 2018 to 2019. And then back to 2018. And the last item that I got are some BTS stickers. So like they're raised stickers a little bit. So there's one of each member and the logo, and then one that has all of them. And so that's everything for the third Korea box. And yeah, so far I'm really happy with my Korea boxes. This one was a little bit more generalized for BTS. The subscription that I have right now is for the Suga box, because Suga is my bias, as I told you in my New York video. But I am still really happy with all of my items so far, and I can't wait to see what I get next month. Thanks for watching. Bye!